Good morning. This is LP with S&W Service and Repair. And today, I have a call that's out in Bridgeport, Texas, with another warranty company that sometimes sends me calls. You have to accept them first. They just don't send them to you. But anyway, they'll send you the zip code, and you can look that up. And I saw it was in Bridgeport. And what I didn't know is that if they have an appliance that is 10 to 15 years old, they'll just automatically replace it versus fix it. So this oven is a Thermidor, and it's flashing the F24, F25, lost communications between the control board and the relay board, touch panel and the relay board rather, and that we have to get them rebuilt. They no longer make the control boards. So at the time when I took the call, I did not know that their protocol was to replace the unit. So I took the call. If I would have known that, I probably would have stayed away from this call, because it's an hour drive each way, and you're only getting $85 for the service call. So basically that 2 hours of drive time breaks down into $42 and some change. But it's good to get out. I really hadn't taken many calls in Bridgeport, because I primarily do work with, and they don't have a whole bunch of calls out here. But you gotta kind of weigh your options and know what the protocols for each warranty company are. And this is a good learning experience for me. So now that I'll kind of have a understanding of what's going on when they send out a call and I have these symptoms, I can kind of tell how old that unit is by that. So, I won't charge it up as a bad call or a lost call, but I charge it up as a learning experience. And as I move more into the appliance repair field, I know that I'm going to have to learn a lot more. And there's going to be nuances within every market. We're looking at expanding into a different market pretty soon. And those things they're valuable to know. And a lot of times, we don't know what we don't know.